What if your business could answer every call instantly, follow up with every lead, have an employee that speak 120 different languages, and never miss a single opportunity, 24/7 around the clock? Well, now you can. AIvoice.Global, the all-in-one AI voice that doesn't sound like a robot. In fact, we can even use your own voice. The Customer Relationship Management System, or CRM, is a fully custom integrated AI system designed to transform how businesses communicate, sell, and grow. Do you ever have missed calls, slow responses, disorganized customer data, crowded calendars, or even worse, empty calendars? These are the silent killers of growth, and they're costing companies thousands in lost revenue every month. AIvoice.Global changes
How can I
everything.
help?
With advanced AI voice phone services, your business can answer calls instantly, book appointments automatically, qualify leads, and provide real-time support without adding staff. In fact, you could probably cut staff if you wanted to. But it doesn't stop there. The built-in CRM keeps every interaction organized, tracking leads, managing automatic follow-ups, and giving you full visibility into your customer journey. No more guesswork, just smart, data-driven growth. What sets AIvoice.Global apart? One-of-a-kind custom integrated AI tailored specifically to your business. This isn't generic cookie-cutter software. It learns your workflows, adapts to your goals, and scales with your personal company. The results? More sales, higher profits, faster response times, happier customers. Most companies grow 2 to 4 times in profits and typically add 3 times as many 5-star reviews with our one-of-a-kind custom natural 5-star review creator. Plus, you'll save hours every day by automating repetitive tasks like email, answering the phone, and social media posts, all in one easy-to-use posting area. Just post once, and it goes to all your social media platforms and email. This will free up you and your team to focus on what really matters, growing your business. If you're ready to have an employee work smarter, close more deals, and deliver world-class customer service in 120 different languages, it's time to upgrade to AIvoice.Global. Visit www.AIvoice.Global to see why the future of business communication is already here waiting for you to catch up.